Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to install Miracast Connect wireless display on your PC. And yeah, let's move on, let's show you how to do it. So first, open this Windows button here and click on Settings. Click on Apps. And here, click on Optional Features. Click on this plus here and search for wireless display. Check it off and click on Install. And now wait till it's installing, and when it's done, as you can see, it's installing quickly. And when it's done, just you have to close the settings, and that's it. You have a wireless display installed on your PC. As you can see, now installed. Just close it, and now you have Miracast Connect wireless display on your PC. That's it. If I helped you out, make sure to give it a like, and also if you have some questions, if you have some problems, comment down below the video and I will try to respond in a few days. And see you next video. Bye.